Good morning. I will call to order this regularly scheduled meeting of the Executive Committee for the City of Minneapolis on November 9th, 2016. I am Mayor Betsy Hodges, Chair of the committee, joined this morning by Council Vice President Glidden, Council President Johnson, and Councilmember Reich. We are a quorum of the committee and can conduct business. We have 2 items on the agenda today, but they are for consideration in a closed session. Because they are matters that have an impact on collective bargaining. And so we will adjourn to room 315 for discussion and potential closed session and potential discussion of these items. So we will adjourn.